बच्चों, आज हम स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे एक किसान और उसके 4 पुत्रों की कहानी। अंग्रेजी में पढ़ेंगे। इसका नाम है फार्मर एंड हिज 4 सन। वंस देयर वाज ए फार्मर, ही वाज एन ओल्ड मैन। ही हैड 4 sons. They were very selfish. They always quarrelled with one another. He was worried about his sons. He was on his deathbed. He wanted to teach them a lesson. He asked them to live in unity, but in vain. He asked his son to bring a bundle of sticks. He called his sons one by one and asked them to break the bundle. None could do that. Then he ordered his son to untie the bundle. Now each one of them could break the stick easily. He advised his son to live like a bundle of sticks in unity. If they quarreled, the people would harm them. The son promised to live united. The old farmer was happy on this change in his sons. Moral: union is strength. तो बच्चों, आप भी इस कहानी को पढ़ें, इसको याद करें। परीक्षा के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी है। धन्यवाद।